So let's take a look at how to create instance of Vue.Js. So the first thing that we do here is go to Vue.js.org and click on this get started page. Here you'll find CDN address for Vue.js. Okay, copy this, then open text editor and create one boilerplate HTML page. So there you can paste your script source. Okay, and after that, what we're going to do is we're going to simply create our first Vue instance. But before that, let's create div ID. Let's name it app. And then here, I want to have a bold sentence that says channel tutorial on Vue.js by, and then outside here I want to display channel name. Okay, so to do that I'm going to instantiate our first Vue instance. So var app equals to new and then capital V Vue, then within bracket add curly bracket. Here you have to point your element within single quotes to app, comma, and then data colon, and within curly bracket we are going to, let's say, add channel name. Within single quote I'm going to use my channel name Devnami. Okay, so let's go ahead and within double curly bracket add channel. Okay, so what we did here is var app equals new Vue. So var app new Vue is how we instantiate our Vue, and we have pointed our div app, also found channel name with here. Okay, so let's open the page and refresh it. Here you see channel tutorial by Devnami. So here this channel name will fetch the data and bind here. So to display your data, you put it in this mustache like curly brackets, okay, twice, and there you add your variable channel name. This helps you to show that this is the data that you want to display here. So this was a small demonstration on how to instantiate your first Vue